Nobtra Pedestrian Walk Course Solution. Hello everyone, this is our product Pedestrian Push Button. Here you can see a simple simulation of an intersection. This is a simulated intersection with motor lanes and pedestrian crossings. You can see that the green light of the motor vehicle lane is always on, and the red light of the pedestrian crossing is always on. This is usually used in sections with fewer pedestrians. When a pedestrian on a pedestrian crossing needs to pass the road, it can press this button. After a few seconds of waiting, the motor vehicle lane will turn into red light, and the pedestrian crossing will light up with a green light for pedestrians to pass through. Thank you for watching.